Consider three mutually tangent unit circles like this. These three circles enclose an area as shown here. Can you determine the area of the enclosed shape? You can pause the video to think about it before I show you an answer. Have you thought about the answer? No? Okay. One way to find this area is to realize that the centers of the circles can be connected with lines to form an equilateral triangle with a side length of 2. The area of this equilateral triangle can easily be found to be equal to square root of 3. But this equilateral triangle can further be broken down into these wedge-shaped pieces, which are nothing but an intersection of the three circles and the triangle. Each of the wedge-shaped pieces have an area of pi over 6, with there being 3 pieces. So the area we want is essentially 3 pi over 6, which simplifies to pi over 2. So the total area of the shape is square root of 3 pi over 2.